All right, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Topic is talk about an important river or lake in your country or hometown.
Well, Pakistan is a diverse country. There are many lakes and rivers. Today, I would like to talk about to Indus River. Indus River is a Pakistani largest river, and it's start from Balochistan and into urban sea. Uh, it is impressive for many reasons. The first is a length, and it is a very longest river in Pakistan. Pakistan is a agriculture country, and farmer use it water for agriculture. And second thing is fishing. So most of the people do fishing from Indus River, and both agriculture and fishing both are very big businesses in Pakistan, and Indus directly affected in Pakistan economy, and Pakistan Punjab prevalence depend on agriculture. So that's why I'm choose this, and I'm very impressed by Indus River.
All right, 1 minute 59 seconds.
Astaghfirullah.
Astaghfirullah. Okay, what is it?
1 hour.
1 minute hardly. So you should try to speak more. Not urban sea, Arabian Sea.
Arabic Sea.
And Indus River doesn't start from Balochistan. It
Same.
starts from Gilgit Baltistan. Yeah. It ends in Arabian,
Sea.
not urban, Arabian Sea, okay? So, this thing, and then, all right, as you said, people, all right, you said something, I just wrote it down in short form. Anyways, whenever you use he, she, it, you should add s or es with the verb. But the good thing is you didn't add is mr with first form of the verb. That is something positive. So it's better than before. Now let's move on. Why do many people like going to the places with water, such as rivers, lakes, or beach?
Well, people in our country mostly people live in hot areas, so that's why they are visiting this type of lake and rivers. So there are very fun activities. So that's why people choose these river and lakes.
Okay, this is good. Keep it up like this and try to correct your geography. Okay? Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much.